Is the US military using artificial intelligence like Claude in war? Not in theory, not in the future, right now. Recent reports have raised serious questions about whether advanced AI systems developed by private companies are being used in military operations. So today, we're breaking it down clearly. What is Claude? How does military AI actually work? Is it controlling weapons, or is the reality much more technical and less dramatic? Let's get into it. What is Claude? Claude is an AI system developed by Anthropic. It's a large language model, similar to systems created by OpenAI, Google, Microsoft. These systems are trained to analyze text, summarize documents, write reports, process large amounts of information, assist with coding and reasoning. They are cloud-based AI assistants. They are not missiles. They are not drones. They are not battlefield robots. But that doesn't mean they can't be used in defense environments. How AI is actually used in modern military systems. Let's separate Hollywood from reality. When people hear AI in war, they imagine autonomous killer robots making life-or-death decisions. The real picture is more layered. 1. Intelligence analysis. Modern militaries process massive volumes of data every day. Satellite imagery, drone footage, intercepted communications, field reports, open-source intelligence. AI helps analysts to summarize reports, translate foreign material, identify patterns, compare historical behavior. One major US program that publicly used AI was Project Maven, which focused on analyzing drone footage using computer vision. That's decision support, not autonomous action. 2. Logistics and operational planning. Wars are won by logistics. AI systems are used to optimize supply chains, track equipment readiness, predict maintenance failures, allocate fuel and transport. A language model could help commanders query complex databases in plain English. For example, show me all units in Region X with equipment failure risk above 30%. AI organizes the data. Humans make the decision. 3. Cybersecurity and digital warfare. Modern warfare includes cyber operations. AI assists in detecting network intrusions, flagging suspicious activity, identifying malware patterns, automating defensive responses. This is algorithmic defense, not battlefield targeting. What about weapons control? Here's where things get serious. Autonomous weapons systems are very different from chat-based AI. Weapons-grade AI systems are embedded in hardware, operate in real time, use computer vision in sensor fusion. They are built specifically for targeting precision. They are usually developed by defense contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Raytheon Technologies, Palantir Technologies. These systems are engineered under strict military contracts. They are not cloud chatbots. There is no public evidence that Claude directly controls drones or weapon systems autonomously. That distinction matters. Why the controversy exists. So why is this controversial? Because even decision support AI influences outcomes. If AI summarizes intelligence, suggests potential threats, flags targets, recommends prioritization, then it shapes human decision-making. That's where the ethical debate begins. Questions being asked globally. Should AI assist in identifying targets? Should private tech companies support military use? Who is accountable if AI-assisted decisions go wrong? Where is the line between assistance and autonomy? These are policy-level debates happening right now. The bigger global race. This isn't just about the US. China, Russia, and other major powers are investing heavily in AI military. Artificial intelligence is becoming as strategically important as nuclear technology was in the 20th century. But most military AI today is predictive, analytical, support-based, not fully autonomous battlefield decision-making, at least publicly. So, is the US using AI like Claude for war? If you mean autonomous killer AI deciding who to strike, there is no public evidence of that. If you mean AI assisting with analysis, logistics, cybersecurity, and intelligence support, that is very plausible and consistent with how modern militaries operate. The real shift isn't robots taking over, it's algorithms quietly assisting decisions behind the scenes, and that may be even more significant. What do you think? Should private AI companies work with military institutions, or should there be strict limits on defense integration? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives on AI, geopolitics, and the future of warfare, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.